Ladies and gentlemen, coin lovers and treasure seekers, today we are about to uncover one of the most fascinating coins from the United States of America, the 1980 Susan B. Anthony dollar, proudly carrying the D mint mark. At first glance, it looks like just another dollar coin you might see in change or tucked away in an old drawer, but hidden within it lies unimaginable wealth. This coin, when found in the highest condition, has been known to reach the value of millions in today's market, and for some collectors, it is no less than a golden ticket to fortune. To understand the value of this coin, you first need to step back in time and understand its history. The Susan B. Anthony dollar was introduced in 1979 as a tribute to the great women's rights activist, Susan B. Anthony. It marked the very first time in American history that a real woman appeared on circulating U.S. coinage. But when a 1980 Denver Mint struck this coin, it was not just about honoring history. It became a chapter in coin collecting that even experts call extraordinary. Now, here's where the magic lies. While most of these coins were released in large numbers for circulation, only a handful survived in perfect mint state condition. A flawless, untouched Susan B. Anthony dollar with a 1980 D mint mark can send collectors into bidding wars at auctions. Imagine this. A coin with a face value of just $1 could transform into a treasure worth millions. This is why, if you own one, you must not let go cheaply. It holds the power to change your destiny overnight. The design itself adds to the charm. On the obverse, we see the proud and determined portrait of Susan B. Anthony, framed by stars of freedom and the word liberty shining bright. On the reverse, the iconic American eagle landing on the moon reminds us of the country's greatest achievements. This powerful combination of history, symbolism, and limited survival is what gives the 1980 D Susan B. Anthony dollar its mythical value in the eyes of collectors. Many people often underestimate the coin because they think it is too modern or too common. But let me tell you this. The true wealth of coin collecting is not only in rarity, but in condition and historical demand. A circulated coin may not bring much, but a pristine, gem-quality 1980 D dollar is worth its weight in gold. Some examples graded by professionals have fetched life-changing sums, proving that what sits quietly in your collection might be a millionaire's dream. Think about the power of this discovery for a moment. You could be holding on to something that appears ordinary, yet contains extraordinary potential. It is this very possibility that keeps treasure hunters, collectors, and investors chasing after coins like the Susan B. Anthony dollar. It is not just metal. It is a story, a legacy, and a fortune sealed within a small circle of silver-colored alloy. For collectors in the United States, the 1980 D Susan B. Anthony dollar represents pride, nostalgia, and hope. For international buyers, it represents a piece of American history that carries the face of equality and the spirit of freedom. This universal appeal is why its value continues to climb. As time moves forward and fewer pristine pieces remain, the demand only grows, and so does the price. Now here's the warning, my friends. If you're lucky enough to own this coin, do not let it slip away for pocket change. Do not spend it as just another dollar. In the right market, under the right spotlight, this single coin could open doors to unimaginable wealth. It has the power to make you a millionaire overnight, but only if you recognize its true value. Many people regret letting rare coins go cheaply. Don't let that be your story. So, my friends, the 1980 D Susan B. Anthony dollar is far more than a coin. It is a hidden jewel in American numismatics, a rare piece that embodies history, equality, and fortune. If you ever come across one in perfect condition, hold on to it like treasure, because it may just be the most valuable and expensive dollar coin you will ever see. And remember, the world of coins is full of surprises, but this one might just be the key to changing your fortune forever.